This is the reason why cracking your knuckles makes a popping sound. When you stretch or bend a finger, the pressure in your joints changes. This causes a gas called nitrogen to come out of solution and form bubbles. The bubbles make the popping sound. That means that when you crack your joints, you're actually releasing water vapor. Now here's a fun fact. Your joints are full of water. In fact, 80% of your body is water. The type of gas that gets released depends on the type of joint and how much pressure you put on it. Another fun fact is that the popping sound can be more than just nitrogen. It can also be oxygen or even carbon dioxide. So next time you crack your joints, just remember, it's not just a satisfying pop. It's also a release of gas and a little bit of water vapor.